Well, that's justice. I mean, that's exactly what happened. The attempted murder of 4 Baltimore County police officers and the use of a firearm and the carjacking. That's exactly what happened, and the jury saw that.
The trial spanned 8 days. The jury only needed 5 hours of deliberations to reach a verdict, finding David Linthicum guilty on all counts, including armed carjacking and 4 counts of attempted first-degree murder for trying to kill 4 Baltimore County police officers in 2 separate shootings during a 3-day manhunt back in February 2023. Prosecutors said the jury got it right.
Our aim was try to communicate to the jury that the assertions that the police department is somehow to blame for this is just not acceptable. This was an individual who attempted to take the lives of 4 Baltimore County police officers. There is absolutely no blame on the police for them trying to do their job.
Mr. Linthicum, do you have any comment? No comment from the defendant's father, John Linthicum, on his way out of the courthouse today. His 911 call for help with a suicidal armed son.
Where is the gun?
I don't know if he's in the car, but I don't know if he's got one downstairs.
He's been here every day, along with the defendant's mother and other relatives who were seen hugging outside the courthouse after the jury rejected David Linthicum's defense that police botched their response to a mental health crisis and knew it.
Like we agitated the situation.
And what happened to the officers that day was unfortunate, but what happened to Mr. Linthicum, facing potentially the rest of his life in prison for the county's inability to respond properly to his mental health crises, is grossly unfair.
The defense told us today they absolutely plan to appeal and said some of the guilty verdicts surprised them more than others.
There was no evidence at all that Officer Allen even ever made it fully down the stairs, and so there's such a coldness of heart to convict Mr. Linthicum of something for a person who never even made himself known.
Her client, David Linthicum, now faces the possibility of staying in prison for the rest of his life. The armed carjacking conviction has a maximum penalty of 30 years in prison, and each one of the 4 attempted first-degree murder convictions carries a penalty of life in prison. The prosecution told us a date has yet to be set for sentencing. Reporting live from Towson tonight, I'm Kate Amara, WBAL TV 11 News.